Welcome back, everyone. Today, I am going to relish. Yes, another food challenge because last time I uploaded a food challenge, you guys absolutely loved it, and also last week I didn't upload because I was sick, as you might be able to tell from my voice, but yeah, now I am a little better and we are going to eat some junk food.
Here I have 80 wings and these are more than 7,000 calories and over 300 grams of protein.
I got myself milk and here's my chicken and I am ready to begin. So let's start eating in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
I finished my first wing and
It's good. Really good.
it was good, and I menacingly ate 9 more pieces, and here's the verdict.
Finished my 10th wing and I'm feeling pretty good this time. Last time I was able to eat 17 pieces, I guess I remember, out of 50, which is 34% of the total, but this time I really want to get past 50%.
10 pieces, nothing. I kept on eating, but then suddenly something happened.
Finished 20 pieces and now it's starting to get hard. Really hard. I think I need a break.
So I took a break, a long one actually. Then I returned, ate 10 more pieces, and after 30th wing, things started to go downhill. Now, what you're going to watch is disgusting, but also funny at the same time.
I am not finding these wings delicious anymore. They taste like shit. I'm just forcing myself to eat. I don't like them. They're trash. I'm only a few pieces away from quitting. I know that. I think we're done. I'll try one more. No, I quit. That's my limit, and no, I'm able to chew, but when I try to swallow, my body just says, no, nope, you cannot. That's it. Yeah, so I ate 34 pieces. That comes out to be 42%, which is better than last time. But yeah, still a lot of food left to eat, and it was again a fail. Obviously 80 wings is way too much for a person like me whose maintenance calories are only 2,500 per day. So this is way too much for me. I don't even know why do I get so much food and then I'm not even able to eat 50%. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.